22-year veteran of the Alachua County Sheriff's Office has filed a discrimination lawsuit against Sheriff Clovis Watson. An attorney for Sergeant Kevin Davis filed the lawsuit in Alachua County Court yesterday. The lawsuit claims Watson has violated Davis's civil rights under the Florida Civil Rights Act and the Federal Equal Protection Clause. Among the claims in the lawsuit is that the sheriff lets race play a role in employment decisions and requires a photograph to be submitted with paperwork about decisions about promotions, transfers, and special assignments. Sheriff Watson's office replied that it's inappropriate to comment on pending litigation. They will answer in court. To read that lawsuit, you can go to our website, WCJB.com.